Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best HEPA 13 filter is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining clean indoor air quality. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of HEPA 13 filters, exploring why they're essential, how they work, and most importantly, how to choose the right one for your needs. We'll cover everything from filter types and efficiency ratings to replacement schedules and cost considerations, ensuring you're well equipped to make an informed decision. Number 5. ISINLIVE HPA 300 HEPA filter replacement. This is a replacement filter for your Honeywell air purifier. It is compatible with multiple models, including the HPA 300 series. This filter ensures your air is clean and fresh. The HEPA filter, combined with the activated carbon pre-filter, captures microscopic particles. It also eliminates odors and gases, providing you with cleaner air. This will improve your home's air quality. Made with high-quality materials, this filter is built to last. It uses advanced technology for efficient filtration and lower energy consumption. This ensures optimal performance for your air purifier. The package includes multiple HEPA and pre-filters. They are pre-cut to fit your air purifier perfectly, making installation easy. You'll save time and money with this convenient solution. For best results, replace the HEPA filter every 6 to 12 months. The pre-filter should be replaced every 2 to 3 months. This ensures the air purifier continues to work efficiently. With proper maintenance, this filter provides long-lasting performance. Enjoy clean air in your home for an extended period. This offers peace of mind and convenience. We are committed to providing a great shopping experience. We stand behind the quality of our products and prioritize customer satisfaction. Contact us if you need any help. What we like. This filter replacement is compatible with a wide range of Honeywell air purifiers, making it a versatile choice. It combines a HEPA filter with a carbon pre-filter to capture microscopic particles and eliminate odors. If you have multiple air purifiers in your home or are looking for a comprehensive solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These filters are made from H13 true HEPA material and feature a carbon layer. This combination provides multiple levels of cleaning that significantly improve indoor air quality. The true HEPA filter effectively captures particles and allergens, while the activated carbon layer helps to eliminate odors, making the air in my home noticeably fresher and cleaner. The inclusion of pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters is a thoughtful touch. These pre-filters extend the life of the primary HEPA filters, saving both time and money. The package includes 3 HEPA filters and 4 pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters, ensuring you have everything you need for a complete replacement. The dimensions are also perfectly designed to fit your Honeywell air purifier, so installation is a breeze. Perfect fit and function. Number 4. Durabasics HEPA filter set for Honeywell HPA 300. Tired of poor air quality? This is the perfect replacement set for your Honeywell HPA 300 air purifier. It includes everything you need to keep your air clean and fresh. This filter set is designed to fit multiple Honeywell models, including HPA 300, HPA 300 VP, and more. It's a convenient all-in-one solution for your air purification needs. The filters are made with HEPA 13 material, which greatly improves the air quality in your home. It effectively captures dust, allergens, and other particles. The activated carbon pre-filters help to remove odors, smoke, and other unwanted smells. This makes your living space more comfortable and enjoyable. Replacing your old filters can reduce your electricity bill. This filter set helps your air purifier work more efficiently, saving you money in the long run. What we like. This filter set uses HEPA 13 material for superior air quality. It effectively eliminates odors, smoke, and smells, making your home fresher. If you are a smoker or have pets, or if you want to save money on your electricity bill, you should consider this. What people say. These replacement filters work superbly in my Honeywell air cleaners. They fit just like to OEM, and literally last just as long as the originals. Fit is excellent for HPA 300. Works well. When installing these filters, I couldn't see any difference in fit, quality or performance. These are much more affordable than the original brand without compromise. Number 3. Durabasics HEPA filter set for Honeywell HPA 300. Introducing the Durabasics HEPA filter set, designed specifically for your Honeywell HPA 300 air purifier. This set includes everything you need to keep your air clean and fresh. These filters are compatible with a range of Honeywell models, including HPA 300, HPA 300 VP, and more. You don't have to worry about measuring or cutting, it's a perfect fit. The filters are made with HEPA 13 material, greatly improving your air quality. It effectively captures dust, pollen, and other particles, ensuring a healthier environment. The set includes activated carbon pre-filters to remove odors, smoke, and other unpleasant smells. It's ideal for homes with pets, smokers, or open kitchens. Replacing your old filters with these high-grade replacements can reduce your electricity bill. It helps your air purifier work more efficiently, saving you money in the long run. What we like. This filter set uses HEPA 13 material for superior air quality. It effectively eliminates odors, smoke, and smells, making your home fresher. If you are a smoker or have pets, or if you want to save money on your electricity bill, you should consider this. What people say. These replacement filters work superbly in my Honeywell air cleaners. They fit just like to OEM, and literally last just as long as the originals. Fit is excellent for HPA 300. Works well. When installing these filters, I couldn't see any difference in fit, quality or performance. These are much more affordable than the original brand without compromise. Number 2. Flintar filter for pure enrichment PureZone PEAIRPLG. Introducing the Flintar replacement filter, designed for your pure enrichment PureZone air purifier. This filter ensures your air purifier works at its best, providing you with cleaner air. This filter is specifically designed to be fully compatible with the Pure Enrichment PureZone Air Purifier model PEAIRPLG. It's a direct replacement for part number PEAIRPLG, ensuring a perfect fit. The filter features a 3-stage filtration system. It includes a pre-filter, an H13 grade main filter, and an activated carbon filter, working together for comprehensive air purification. The H13 grade main filter captures 99.97% of harmful airborne particles. This high-efficiency filter ensures that the air you breathe is cleaner and fresher. The activated carbon filter absorbs household odors. It effectively removes smells from pets, cooking, smoking, wildfires, and harmful VOCs. The package includes 2 complete sets of replacement filters. It's easy to replace and disposable, with no tools required. Replace it every 6 months depending on use. What we like. This filter is specifically designed for the Pure Enrichment PureZone air purifier. It features a 3-stage filtration system for comprehensive air purification. If you have a Pure Enrichment PureZone air purifier and want a hassle-free replacement, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They fit snugly, don't rattle, and the air output smells noticeably cleaner within a day. The multi-layer design feels sturdy, not flimsy like some off-brands, and the packaging keeps each filter clean and intact until you're ready to swap. They fit perfectly in my air purifier. They definitely filter out the air, leaving it clean. Number 1. LEVOIT Core 300 Replacement Filter 2-Pack. This replacement filter is designed specifically for the LEVOIT Core 300, 300P, 300S, and 300S P air purifiers. It's a direct replacement for the Core 300 RF filter, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Please make sure it fits your model before purchasing. The filter utilizes a 3-stage filtration system, including a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. This system effectively captures a wide range of airborne particles, ensuring the air you breathe is clean and fresh. It removes particles as small as 0.3 microns. The HEPA filter is made with dense PET microstructure material, capturing 30% more dust compared to standard filters. This ensures longer-lasting performance and removes 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. The activated carbon filter uses finer, highly porous carbon for superior adsorption. It effectively captures smoke, cooking smells, pet odors, and VOCs, leaving your home smelling fresher and making it easier to breathe. Each filter is built to last up to 6 to 8 months, providing year-round air purification. The 2-pack offers added savings on replacements, ensuring you always have clean air. When the red light stays on, you can reset the device by pressing and holding the reset button for about 3 seconds. What we like. This filter is designed for LEVOIT Core 300 and Core 300S air purifiers. It removes 99.97% of airborne particles, ensuring clean air. If you are looking for a long-lasting and affordable filter replacement for your LEVOIT air purifier, you should consider this. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The filter fits perfectly. It is a perfect fit and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.